Dear viewers, today we are going to see the simulation study on intelligent control for hybrid system. So this experiment is included in the Anna University Renewable Energy System Laboratory, and that is the experiment number 11, simulation study on intelligent control hybrid system. Here the hybrid system, how that is the basic idea of the hybrid system and the intelligent control. Now we are going to see. This is the wind power generation. Again, this is the PV power generation. So this is the additional source, that is the device, external device which is available. So all are it may be going to interconnected and then connected to the grid. And also if you need the another energy source, if you need, we are used. At the same time, all these controls are applied through the intelligent regulation system, which means that is anyone that is a fuzzy neural based system, fuzzy logic based control, neural network control, and the soft computing method, machine learning. So many intelligent based system which is available in the market. So only one system we are going to see, simple system, that is power of the grid loads, wind speed, solar irradiation, and intelligent control signal which is fed into the intelligent regulation system. That intelligent regulation system will also going to control the power generated by the device. Here this method we are going to be see. The PV power generation is available. Based on that irradiation variation, the DC output which can be varied depends upon our requirement. So this is the thing we are going to be see. Now we are going to see our simulation file. So this is the simulation file. So here that is the DC to DC converters is used for here, and if it is intelligent based system, here we are going to see, right? That is the PV sourced fuzzy logic controlled, that is DC to DC buck converter which is available here, right? This is the fuzzy logic based DC to DC converter. This is connected to that PV source, and another one then this is the PV, that is that PMSG, this permanent magnet synchronous generator which is connected to that is the source driven by the wind turbine. Okay, that is the wind turbine. So this is the negative, which means it may be act as a generator. If the torque is in the positive, the machine it will be act as a motor. Now the machine is act as a generator, right? Okay, so this is the one source PV. This is the another source, that is the wind driven permanent magnet synchronous generator. So that is the two source will be connected through that the DC to DC converter. So this is one DC to DC converter, fuzzy logic based control. Here that is the normal conventional DC to DC converter which is available, same DC to DC converter, but this DC to DC converter is controlled by the PID controller, right? So this is controlled by the PID controller. So normal thing which is we are applied here, this is the PID controller, right? So next one thing, so this is that the entire control, that PID controller which is replaced by the fuzzy logic control. So before entering to that simulation, the reader which can be get the knowledge basic fuzzy logic operation. Okay, basic fuzzy logic operation. This is the PV panel. So the output of the PV panel is connected to the basic that is the DC to DC buck converter. This DC to DC buck converter, the power electronic switch MOSFET which is connected here, this MOSFET switching gate is connected to the output of the fuzzy logic controller. So this fuzzy logic controller having a separate file of fuzzy, that is FC buck. So simple buck converter for this simulation is preliminary level of that is UG student scale. The scale of the simulation is UG students level. So for that purpose, that is the fuzzy logic. So this is the logic file which is available here. So this is the fuzzy logic. So already we are trained and then obtained the rules, everything. So this is that the thing we have going to be seen. So what is this? So fuzzy import from that workspace. So that is a workspace which is available. So here we are going to see that the name, that is fuzzy buck, that the name is fuzzy buck. I am also going to copy this structure, that is copy fuzzy buck. So again I am going to put this name here, that is fuzzy buck, then OK, right? So that file is now it is open. Now the file is open. What is the input? So the input is, one is error, another one is the change in error. So the error which can be defined, that is the different, that is the positive big, another one is the negative big, positive medium, next one is the negative medium. So next one is the positive small, next one is the negative small, next one is the 0. Similarly, that is the change in error will also going to that is we are segregated in different value. Similarly, the next, that is positive big, that next one is the negative big. So negative minimum, positive small, negative small, and 0. So these are all the things. The output value is -1 to +1. That is input values we are going to -1 to +1. Most probably what is the input range? Same as the you are fixed in the output range, the system which can be fine tuned. Okay. So if you want to see that the system rules and other things, so I am also going to click. So double click. These are all the rules written in the fuzzy logic control. These are all the rules. Okay. So if you want to add the rule, again if you want to add the rule, this is that the rule which may be added. Otherwise, if it is delete, and then delete the rule and or operation which is available. Okay. So this is that the thing which is available in the fuzzy logic. The procedure is, so first you have going to drag and drop the that is a fuzzy logic block which is available in the library, So where it is available? So FUZZY fuzzy. I am also going to enter. This is the fuzzy logic controller with the rule viewer, fuzzy logic normal controller. So this is the fuzzy logic controller. You may going to double click. The same operations we are going to drag and drop. So this is the rule viewer. This is the something else fuzzy rule viewer which is available in the MATLAB. Okay. I am also drag and drop this fuzzy logic. Again, I am also going to that is the train. After training, I am also going to, this is a export to workspace, and then the same file name I am also going to given. If the file name given this FC_bulk, which is the same name as a case sensitive here which is available. If the name is changes in the case sensitive, the system will attain the error. Okay. Now this is the overall view of that the hybrid system by using the intelligent control, right? This is the intelligent buck converter control. Now I am going to simulate. Please see, that is the input of the radiation is the 250. I am also giving. So the here that is the 10 meters per second for the wind speed. So here I am also, what is the output of that voltage in the PV? Here that is the output of the voltage from the PMSG after converting into the DC. Here that is we are going to see the that is DC to DC link, that is voltage. So we are going to regulate this DC to DC link voltage by using this fuzzy logic controller, right? So this is the slider gain. I am also going to click. This is can be enabled. So these are all that enable. Whenever I am going to change this slider gain, the output of the values which also is controlled. Now we are going to simulate, right? I am also going to press the start the simulation. Now it may be going to compile. Yes. Now it may be going to start run. What is the value here? 287.5, that is 287 point something else, 0.1 is the difference is there. Now I am simply increase, that is the value. So that is 299 here, that is the 299. This is I am also fixing the 350. What is the 352? Same 352. What is that the voltage which is available here? So that is we are going to be changing this in the condition. So that is that 318 which is available here. But at the same time the voltage is 1197. That is 319 which is the same thing of that voltage which is available here. So now I am going to improve that the irradiation level as 750. So now it is changes the 750. The voltage is 1255, that is not 1200, but the 318 which is maintained. But is here also, that is whatever that the voltage we are maintained that the same voltage level. Suppose I am reduced to that the voltage 290, same thing 290 which is reduced. If I am increased that the maximum values, the same maximum value 393, that is the 393 upon these values we have going to be controlled, right? Suppose I am also further reduced in that the value of what is this, the value 263. So 263 which is increase. So the same thing 1255 which is available here, but at the same time that is 263 is available. So the similarly the fuzzy logic intelligent system which can be control the output of that the power derived from the PV source, that is hybrid power system which is we are able to easily controlled. Similarly I am also changing this value that is the is given by that the reference value, the current which also change from this that the PMSG, that is the another thing. See, please see, that is if it is changes, that is 0.7 something, and what is that the voltage in the 350, again that is we are, it can be changes, that is 0.7 and the other thing. Suppose I am reduce it, so what is the 260? So that is that the similarly the voltage level will also going to be changed. Suppose if it is that is the I am also going to change to 78. So similarly I am also reducing the irradiation level. So here that is some fluctuation is occur, but it may be maintained that the exact to 60 value. So this is the system for that intelligent hybrid system controlled simulation as per the Anna University syllabus. Okay, the scale of the simulation is UG level students, UG level primary level students level simulation. Okay, so this is that the thing, it may be useful for the renewable energy lab for the students. Okay, right.